The Tourism Fiji Board, management and staff, the sponsors, the industry partners, and from Fiji and from aboard, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to all of you. It's a special pleasure for me to be here with you this evening to wrap up an event that by all accounts has been a tremendous success and a major credit to the entire Fijian tourism industry. So thank you very much. The Fijian Tourism Expo, ladies and gentlemen, has been 3 very special and important days for all the participants. And the Expo has proven to be a milestone event for the industry. And new relations have been created whilst existing ones have been strengthened. And this year's event has exceeded all expectations. I must say that this has been possible due to the hard work that has been put in place by the Tourism Fiji, and the able leadership and teamwork at Tourism Fiji has resulted in a very successful FTE this year. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is where happiness finds you. And Team Fiji, or Duavata, as we mentioned right at the beginning, is not just words for us. It is what we live and what we breathe. And as a nation, we have proven that by working as a team, we can achieve anything. This also applies to all of you here today. And the tourism industry as a team has made a difference to Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm informed that about over 8,880 appointments were facilitated in the past 22 hours between buyers and sellers. And this is an outstanding achievement reflecting the diverse offerings at FTE. And I'm also pleased to announce that the Fijian Crafted Village has received success with Fijian crafted products, establishing new market links and achieving sales of more than $3,000 for the 14 odd artisans showcasing their products. Through sales, though the sales may seem small, the exposure and promotion through the displays at the village for the last 3 days has been absolutely tremendous. And our artisans have been interviewed by both local and foreign media, and for some, it was for the first time in their entire life. Orders totaling about $15,000 have already been placed with the crafters from established retail companies and even at galleries as far as Mexico, believe it or not. And through such transactions, ladies and gentlemen, our local communities are supported, and I would like to encourage each and every one of you to engage more with our local craftsmen and artisans and promote the Fijian made by Fijian brand as much as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, I do not want to drag on with the statistics and shop talk, as tonight we are here to celebrate the successful 3 days. We have all worked very hard over the 3 days, and today we need to relax and unwind. For the buyers who are here and who will be marketing Fiji, you need to sit back and enjoy the hospitality that's on offer tonight, and believe you me, it's the best. And we're still on the same island, but it feels like a totally different world. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what Fiji is all about. We are full of pleasant surprises, and tonight you will witness many more surprises after I speak. And before I lead you all to the dance floor, hang on, ladies. I'll be back soon. Not you, Truman. He's a bad enough bodyguard as he is. I want to extend all my heartfelt gratitude, ladies and gentlemen, to the 149 buyers who were here from 19 different countries, and a big Vinakavak level to all of you from Fiji. On behalf of the government of Fiji, thank you very much for your commitment to Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, it'd be amiss of me if I didn't thank some special people who put all of this together. The Executive Chair of Tourism Fiji, Truman Bradley. Thank you very much, Truman, for a wonderful job. And of course, he had wonderful support from Thomas, Sarah, Kathy, Inise, Louisa, Patricia, and the rest of the team at Tourism Fiji. You've done an absolutely wonderful job. And as your boss, I'm very proud of you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I also hope this has been a successful and enjoyable experience for I'm already drunk. I don't drink. I hope it's been a successful and enjoyable experience for all of you. And for our visitors and buyers and sellers, I hope you have enjoyed our Fijian hospitality and had fruitful exchanges and strengthened your collaboration in your areas of interest. And we wish you a safe journey back home, and look forward to seeing you all again next year, where we're going to have a bigger and better FT, as we usually do, along with so that you may meet as many new faces as possible. So ladies and gentlemen, big pinaka to all of you. Thank you very much on the behalf of the government of Fiji. Enjoy your evening, have a great party, but remember the last bus leaves at 12 o'clock. Thank you.